if you want to become a better trader, then pay attention. I'm going to teach you how to trade retracements, which I strongly suggest you not to do if you're not profitable yet. But if you want to take on the challenge, if you want to try and learn it, pay attention, because this will elevate your trading. I'm so sure of it. Just look at me. I'm the GOAT. If a GOAT is explaining you something, don't you think you're going to learn? So pay attention. This is the beautiful trade that I'll be explaining in this video. As you guys can see, just beautiful. Let's get straight to it. Straight into business. We sweep this liquidity once, as you guys can see here. And then we sweep it again, and then we have a change in the state of delivery, clearly indicating that we are going up. So this is the external range liquidity I'm looking at. When we sweep this external range liquidity, I am looking for price to retrace back into the range. If you look at price right here, where would we retrace to? This is the H4 range. So when we look at the H4 range, what is discount and what is premium? I'm going to mark it out right here. So I'm deleting this. This is the H4 equilibrium. That means everything below it is discount. Everything above it is premium in the range. Capiche? So we want to be longing from here, which is the discount of the range. Now, when I come to my charts, before London open kill zone, which I will mark right here. So let's play price forward. And I'm going to drop another gem just for free. You ain't got to pay me. I'm just dropping gems. A lot of people would be waiting for Asia highs to get swept, but I'm going to explain you why I did not. Because people in my Discord were like, "Oh, Sky, why'd you take this trade? I was waiting on the Asia high to get swept." But let me drop some sauce. So this was when I was already in the trade. Right here. Now I'm going to play price back and drop some sauce. So pay attention. This is Asia session. See? This box is Asia session. So if price wants to go up, it should respect fair value gaps. This is a high that rebalanced a fair value gap. It gets swept right here. After it gets swept, we just place up, leaving another fair value gap. So if we are going to go up, don't you think we have to go up from here? Why would we come back all the way down and then go up? It doesn't make sense. So when I see price displacing down, creating another fair value gap right here, after sweeping liquidity, which will make this, let me remove all the fair value gaps, which will make this a breaker. We respect the breaker. We respect this fair value gap right here. The low in this imbalance got violated. And when we take out this low, it's clear signs that we are going down. So let me remove all this fluff. Pay attention. We have another fair value gap right here, which is a PD array. And when do I expect price to flip bullish? If PD arrays get disrespected. Does this look like it gets disrespected? No. Let me drop to the 5 minute. Don't forget, this is the M15 fair value gap. When London session opens, y'all already know my model. I look for a rate in the opposing direction and then a displacement, leaving a unicorn pattern. So we sweep the previous high right here. We sweep it and then we displace down. Y'all already know, like, how many times do I need to explain this? That is my entry pattern. And then as you guys can see, we beautifully drop down here, close under it, limits on the breaker, stop under the high. You can even, let's see, you can even put it 3 PD arrays above, which would be a inverse fair value gap right here. And then we have a propulsion block right here. And then we have another breaker right here. So many signs are holding price back. So even if you want, you can choke your stop loss a bit more, but I had it on this high right here. And I was targeting 2RR because that was enough to pass my challenge. But when we go back into price, As I said, it goes from external range liquidity to internal range liquidity. So we want to be longing in discount. And I'm going to drop another gem, so pay close attention. We have this H4 fair value gap right here. If we wanted to go up, we would go up from this H4 fair value gap. Why did we not do that? Time. How many times do I need to say time? You need to have time inside of your trade plan. Because we tapped that fair value gap after New York session. I don't even know. So we are tapping into this, not even in a kill zone. So why would it hold? When I came to my charts, I was like, okay, we swept external range liquidity. We don't displace up from this fair value gap right here. As you can see, do you see price holding up? Do you see any fair value gaps holding up price? I don't either. We are displacing through it. So, back again. If you look at this, there's a H4 inverse fair value gap, and you guys can see we seek support in there, and then we displace down. Another gem, another gem. So when I came to my charts, I was like, okay, this is clearly telling me we are going down. This is telling me we're going down as well. I see beautiful liquidity here. And this liquidity is session liquidity. Why? Because New York kill zone starts at 7. So this is a New York kill zone liquidity. And as we know, we want to trade from internal to external. So this is the New York kill zone liquidity. And it's beautifully aligning with the H4 fair value gap. When you trade, you need to have all the probabilities with you. And I had so many probabilities with me, so I was willing to take the risk. So we have a H4 fair value gap in discount. I'm expecting this liquidity here to get taken. And then we continue up. So let me go back to price. I'm going to play it out. And you guys are going to see the aggressive reaction we get from the H4 fair value gap. Look at that. We are not staying there long. We are not even coming back to rate it again. That's just beauty in my eyes. This is beauty. There's so many key aspects I have covered in this video. And we're 8 minutes in only. Who else does that for free, for nothing? I'm dropping all the sauce, so y'all better like, share, and subscribe. Join the Discord, the Market Milker Discord. And that's so much sauce in just one little video that can help you a lot. Let me give y'all some more sauce. So when we sweep this low, this is a breaker pattern. So we also had confluence that this is a beautiful breaker pattern. And then we also had this range. So price should already be very, very, very sensitive here. Very. So that's it for today. That's how you trade retracements. It's lower probability. This price might as well have went up from here. Who knows? Because if we go back to the H4, this is the breaker's wick. But luckily, we wanted to go down a bit more, tap the body, and then we went up. So guys, again, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Take care. Put on the bell so you get notified when I drop another video. I have a lot of videos coming and a lot of sauce coming. I'm back on the grind, bro. When I'm on the grind, you already know, y'all probably saw me on Twitter. Y'all see, when I'm on the grind, I'm locked in, I'm achieving everything. But I need to be on the grind, and this will keep me on the grind. So I'm taking y'all with me on the grind. Y'all better pay attention. And let me just drop another gem right here. For the people that stay till the end, let me drop another gem. When we have a fair value gap right here, and then we have this low rebalancing it and then going up. When we break this low, it should be green light for you that we are going down. This is like an internal unicorn structure inside a bigger unicorn. So you have an extra confluence. So listen to me. Highs, lows, fair value gaps. Those are the key things you need to know. Don't stress about everything. Highs, lows, fair value gaps. Okay, wait. One PD array is highs and lows. Second PD array is fair value gaps. And then you learn premium and discount, you learn ranges, you learn time frame alignment, you make a model with one entry pattern, and voila, you have this beauty right here. It's that easy. Did I overcomplicate it? Nope. It's so easy. It's easy as. It's so easy. Just pay attention. You already paid attention. I'm gonna let y'all go. But please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and join the Discord. We already have over 1K members. That's so crazy. And good luck in your trading journey. Peace.